What's up, guys? It's your girl here, Chocolate Drop, and I'm here with another video. So today I'm gonna do a wig review on this wig. But before I do, I really want to say thank you for my new subscribers. Like, really, I really appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Your sister, growing little by little, but it's okay. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys like, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys comment, do all that good stuff. So let's get to it. Let's get to this wig, sis. So this wig, I got this from AliExpress, but the company, it is Sunlight company. Basically, that's the company name. It came like in this box right here. So it's backwards, boo. It says lace wig, 100% virgin hair, and like it says like the length of it. So this is a 22, sis. Get to it. Get to it. So it's like, it touched like my boobs. Well, basically, yeah. I'm 5'7", and it's like a natural color. Natural color. All right. So this is the box. Let me open this up. So the box came like, you know how you buy stuff, like when you buy like wigs, it gives you like a little goodie. So this is what they gave me. This is really nice. I really like this, especially for the summer and or the fall too. Like if you don't have time to glue your wig, or you just, your wig is looking a little iffy a little bit, like you put this baby on. All right, come on now. You put this baby on and you're good to go. And it came with a wig cap. So it came in 2 in there, so that's really helpful. All right, so let's get to this wig now, sis. So this wig, it is a wet wavy wig. It is a 13x4. It's a lace front. It's 150 density, so it's really full. Like when it get like dry, it doesn't like poof up. You know how wigs be like really like poof 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 up? This one, it stays really nice, like, So guys, this wig, I'm in love with this wig. This is the first time I actually get a water wave wig, because I was not really into it. Like, it was just my best friend was like, well, why you don't just get a something different? And I was like, you know what, sis, all right, I'm gonna get something different. So I got it, and I am in love, guys. I went to like work with this wig. It's not for work, but I went to work with it. Yo, I was getting so much compliments. I was like, baby, what's going on? Like, literally, like, one of my coworkers really wanted to snatch this wig off of me. Like, snatch out my head. I'm like, sis, whoa. Like, I'm gonna give you the link. Alright, so, yes. So, I did not, oh, I forgot. It is a pre-plug wigs. So it's like me, I don't like plucking my wigs, and I'm not really good at that. If you're not really good at it, so this is a good perfect wig for you, because you don't really have to do nothing in it. Just cut the lace, and yeah. So I did not dyed it, not dyed it, I forgot what's the word, but I did not dyed it. I guess I won't say that word. I just put my concealer and my powder, and that's it. So it do have 2 cones, and cone in the back. I cut the cone in the back because it just be bothering me sometimes. Like, you know how you be taking your wig and it just be stuck in the back? Please don't, mama, she's in the back. So yeah, like I said, I did say it was 150 density. Yes, I did. And I'm trying to like think. What should I say? Oh, this wig, because I really like this wig. Oh my goodness. I'm like, what? Oh, yes, it is. You gonna be like, oh my god, girl, you keep talking. How much is this wig? I'm like, all right, I got you, sis, I got you. So this wig was $115. Like, sis, get you this wig. Sis, get you. Let me turn around. Let me do a little. These wigs, like. This was 115. Like I said, this hair do not shed. Mommy. Okay? So this hair did not shed, like, it doesn't shed crazy. It do shed, like, you know, it's curly hair, it's gonna shed a little bit. It only shed a little bit, and it's pretty soft. Like, I really like the, yo, I'm really feeling this wig, like, that ass is really soft. That's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. But if you guys like this wig, make sure, like, get it, because I'm gonna put it on the, I can't say the word, you should, you know what, I'm just gonna put everything below for you guys, and y'all can get this wig. Y'all can be snatched. So make sure you guys comment below, like, subscribe to your girl, like. Alright, so bye. Oh, forget one thing. If you guys want me to, like, you know, show you how I did this. Oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys what I put in my hair. So I basically put water and mousse and any conditioner, so to get this wet look, or to get this look. So that's it. I'll see you in another video. Bye.